Robots in Disguise 2015 Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime is, well, obviously a recolor of the Warrior class Optimus Prime. And of course, as you can see, it's now in blue. You still have the scan badge, which I'm pretty sure doesn't work now because the app doesn't exist now. And the transformation is exactly like how the original figure transformed. So this game just transformed. Now, of course, this does come with an accessory, but yeah, just like my original figure, I am missing it. But overall, this is a really good figure. I quite like this deco. So yeah.